Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Veqotya 3-channel dash cam for cars, front rear inside, 1080p, Wi-Fi dash cam with 32 gigabit card. There are key features include 3-channel dash cam front, rear, inside. Car dash camera monitors and displays your car's front and rear and inside with 1080p plus 4K resolution. With a 170 degrees front view, 150 degrees cabin view, and 160 degrees rear view, the triple car dashcam provides cinematic smooth video evidence in case of accident dispute or insurance claims. Perfect choice for Uber/Lyft drivers and family trips. Upgraded Wi-Fi and app control. You can easily connect your dashcam to your mobile phone using the dedicated free dashcam app. With Wi-Fi function, you can enjoy faster wireless data transfer, which gives you instant access to films and records routes on your phone. Play back 3 channels of video at the same time, easily monitor video metrics, and get real-time data as evidence of an accident. Seamless loop recording and G-sensor. Comes with a 32 gigabit memory card, and the loop recording will overwrite the oldest videos with the latest videos when the memory card is about to be full. Built-in 3-axis G-sensor. When a serious collision occurs while driving, the sensor automatically locks and saves video of the collision, providing the event witness for you to deal with the accident dispute or insurance claim. 24 hours parking mode. When the extra hardwire kit, not included, is connected, the car dash cam continues to record at low FPS, time-lapse record, after you turn off your car. Help protect your rights against malicious car damage, hit-and-run incidents, and theft of property from your car. Safeguard your vehicle all day. Enhanced night vision. The in-car camera adopts f2.0 aperture, 6-layer optics, wide dynamic range technology and 4 types of IR light enhancement technology to ensure clear video recording even in dimly lit environments. So you can drive safely day or night. Don't let the darkness get in the way of your safety, and record every detail clearly. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.